So what we have here are multiple issues. Number one, this is a double check valve, but it's installed incorrectly. This should be horizontal. You could have one up here. Ideally, a double check valve would be installed in a valve box under the ground, so that way it stays nice and safe from any freezing temperatures. So this is going to need to be removed. And additionally, this one happens to be leaking really badly out here, which is another reason that we're going to have to replace it. We're going to be replacing this with a Febco 765 PVB. That's usually what's done around here. Although double check valve is fine for Houston as long as you have it in the ground in a valve box.
First, we'll turn off the water supply that leads to the backflow preventer. In this particular system, the shutoff valve is at the water main. However, your system may have a valve in between the water main and your sprinkler system somewhere. This is our friend Mike from Affordable Sprinklers. He's opening both ball valves on the backflow preventer. This is to relieve some pressure before he cuts into the pipe. And now Mike is removing insulation from the pipe so he can cut it. The next step is to cut out the backflow preventer. Make 2 cuts at about the same height to remove the backflow and the rest of the PVC assembly. Before you install the PVC fittings into the backflow device, you'll want to wrap some Teflon tape around those threads. When screwing in the adapters, be careful to not strip the threads. You want it tight, but you don't want to damage the fitting. Next, prime the inside of the adapter fittings. Notice Mike is holding the backflow at an angle to prevent the primer from dripping into the backflow. Prime the rest of the fittings as well. In all, there's 2 1-inch couplings, 2 1-inch adapters, and 1 elbow. And now, prime the PVC pipe sections. And let's begin gluing the sections together. Remember to wipe away the excess glue and primer. Excess glue and primer can weaken the PVC pipe, so you'll want to clean that up. Figure out how high your backflow device needs to be. It should be installed at least 12 inches higher than the highest sprinkler head in the system. Cut the pipe to size. And now Mike is installing the second riser. It's taller than the other one because it will need to reach the height of the outlet on the backflow. And here Mike is prepping the horizontal piece of PVC that comes out of the backflow. Notice he left both pieces of pipe a little too long, horizontal and vertical. That's so he can cut them to size where they meet so that they barely touch at the edge. And now he's installing the elbow. The job's not complete without installing pipe insulation. You might be tempted to wait until winter to handle this step, but don't. As soon as you install the backflow, go ahead and cover it so there's no chance of getting caught off guard when the first freeze hits. Besides, most PVC is not UV resistant, so you're not only protecting it from freezing, but also sun degradation. You need to cover all of the PVC piping and the ball valves on your backflow preventer as well. And then cover every bit of the foam with pipe wrap tape.
And additionally, to help protect the backflow, a backflow bag like this one is a fabulous choice to help keep your PVB from having to be replaced again too soon. So we're going to mark this one done.
Buy your new backflow and everything you need to install and protect it on sprinklerwarehouse.com.